Namaste everyone. Welcome to our series Master the Breath, our first class. Today we will try to stretch the breath, which will make you more stronger with your breathing, with your respiration. Let's get ready. The first, you will sit in any comfortable pose. If you are the one who have that curved spine like this, okay, and your body all the time hinging like this, it means definitely you need to either roll the mat, elevate your buttocks, because without this, your breath will not go longer, not be able to stretch. You will feel suffocated in this technique, which I'm going to teach you. So you go higher, or you can even sit in Vajrasana. Okay, either you sit like this, simply cross leg. So the elevation is important. Or if that is not possible for you, sit in Vajrasana, okay, on the knees like that. And if you are the regular one, like those who have good posture, you can keep your back straight. Simply come to simple cross leg or Padmasana. Choose these few options which I gave you. Once the body is straight, keep your hands closer here. Elbows are close to body. Relax the stomach. Okay. No any heaviness here. Now sit straight. Take a deep inhale. Start exhaling with the mouth, not with the nose. Only with the mouth. First you trained the exhalation, make it longer. Okay, one more time, let's do with me. Deep inhale. Start. Let's do. Inhale. Start. Okay, let's take one challenge. This time I will count for you. We will try to stretch the breath with the count. I will count first 5 seconds. We will go with a few exhalation 5 seconds. Then every 5 time I will start adding 2 more seconds in it. So 5 seconds will become 7 seconds. 7 seconds will become 9 seconds. 9 seconds will become 11 seconds. This is how we will go. So first 5 seconds, few breath with me. Let's do together. And that's how we will all strengthen our breath. First day, very important. And this will calm your mind also. Let's get ready. Close your eyes. Hands are simply placed. As I said before, elbows are closer to the body, back straight. First, you focus on your breathing. Normal breath, and start relaxing your stomach. Don't tighten it, don't squeeze it. And when you completely relaxed the stomach, now take a deep inhale. Start exhaling. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Second inhale. Start exhaling. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Deep inhale. Start exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Deep inhale. Start exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Deep inhale. Start exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Again, relax the stomach. Again, keep your back straight. Come back to normal breathing. And now let's add 2 more count. We go till 7 seconds and we will see how much effort we need. If you notice you can't go 7 seconds with me, it means right now you will just work with the 5 seconds. You continue with that number. Let's do. Deep inhale. Start exhaling. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7. Deep breath in. Exhale, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Deep inhale. Start exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Deep inhale. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Deep inhale. Start exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Deep inhale. Start exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And relax. Relax your stomach. Normalize your breath. Now, those who can go beyond 7, you will go with me 9 count. Those who feel that you can't go right now beyond 7, beyond 5, choose the previous number and practice 5 times. Let's go. Breathe in. Start exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Breathe in. Start exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Breathe in. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Breathe in. Start. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Breathe in. Start. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And relax. Relax the stomach. Relax the shoulders. You will notice that the mind started becoming calmer and calmer. That's the power of stretching the breath. Those who can go 11 number, let's do 3 times with me. Again, deep inhale. Start exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Deep inhale. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Deep inhale. Start exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Relax. Relax the stomach, relax the body, come back to normal breathing and see how the breath is calm now, how the breath is deep now, how the mind is in full control, quiet, composed. You are fully aware. Let's stay in that state for a few seconds. Bring your awareness back, palms together, rub your palm, generate the heat, cover the eyes. Gently massage. Slowly open your eyes. Namaste. Try this every day. I'll see you again for the next class. See you soon.